Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. The first thing we're going to look at here is a chart of the market. This is the mini S&P 500 futures contract, the front month in nature, actually March of 10. And looking at the last print of 11/21/50 on this Wednesday, the 30th day of December 2009. And had a kind of interesting day today. Had a nice gap lower. Went to fill the gap. Definitely a beautiful selling opportunity. Why? Well, you see, even as the market was rallying off the lows just to simply fill the gap and retest the underside of the trend this morning, you can see that we had a pretty impressive bearish formation. We had certainly bearish was the trend, bearish was the price technicals, bearish was the indication of just simply a gap fill, bearish was the indication right around. Had a slight bullishness there, but nothing particularly impressive. Bearishness there, and of course bearishness there. So that's about 5 bearish indications to sell the market on the retest of the underside of the trend following support resistance, which came in around 11/22. Beautiful move back down to retest the lows of the early session, and we've had a pretty impressive bounce actually. As you can see, we're now turning green bars. We have bullishness here, a little bit of a divergence there, but overall the bears do remain in control. Definitely, as has been the case over the last, we'll call it 8 weeks maybe. The bulls and bears have just continued to battle it out in the market, and as reflected in the very constricted range. And definitely, we're anticipating, continue to anticipate, as soon as the year turns over, in the first 5 days of January, we're going to get probably a very nice, impressive directional move. But as you can see yesterday. This, of course, Wednesday. On this Tuesday, we had the bull trap open. We had a bull gap to the upside, came down to fill the gap and bounced up. But as you can see, it was full bearishness, actually broke below the trend, and definitely indicative of lower prices and certainly not higher prices. And we did actually go on to finish at the low of the session on the day prior. We're going to talk a little bit more about this in a second. These are our intraday dynamics, our proprietary indicators that we use to kind of gauge where the market's going to go. So we've after some feedback, and some requests, we've actually developed a few systems based on, loosely based on some of these methodologies, and we'll talk about that in a second as soon as we cover the daily market. And that, of course, will be right here. Now, of course, this is the S&P 500 cash market. We've remained bullish since 9/61 on this day right here, the 23rd of July of '09. So for about 5 months now or so, we've been bullish on the market, and that's produced a gain, another discretionary gain. This is our official market timing bias of 165 S&P points. So if you're positioning your RIDEX funds or your mutual funds or your ETFs, your spiders on these calls, you've certainly netted around 600 points just in the last 16 months, just for following your videos, your free market analysis and trading videos that we do send out at least once or twice a week, and you participated handsomely in another 165 points. Of course, we're still bullish, as mentioned. What's more impressive is we've actually broken out of this range a little bit. Not particularly impressive has been the break, but it's certainly a break. And of course, with the support of all key trend following support resistance measures, now the support of the price technicals, the horizontal, we also have support of the momentum and of course directional movement as well, both in the short and intermediate terms. The market certainly continues to look bullish. So there you go. No change in our bias as it stands. We're now at 1125 on the market and remain comfortably bullish. Again, our key level has been moved up from 1080, as you can see, to 1095 or so. So if we get back below 1100, it could be a little concerning. Certainly 1090 is definitely a concern, and should bring about a quick move to 1050. But so there you have it. There's a look at the daily analysis of the market. What's interesting is we did mention from a contrarian perspective, we kind of coded in looking at a contrarian perspective. As you can see, it struggled right here, but man, over the last year or so, this system has gone meteoric and has really been catching all the moves. And as you can see, we've actually just gone, after exiting a bit early on the bullish side, just gone to the short side there at 11/18/25. So we'll see how that plays out. Definitely was a sell indication. As you can see, extreme complacency right here. extreme complacency right here, and the market has quickly bounced back, or the indicators have quickly bounced back. So we'll see where the market goes from there. So moving on, we're going to take a look. Of course, we have our annual. I want to mention this, the annual Double Your Money sales event. As you know, we have this each year, final week of the year, where we'll essentially double your money. You subscribe to 2/4 of any portfolio that we offer. Enter promo code double my money, and we'll simply double your money, double your subscription. You'll get a full year of any of our portfolios. That, of course, is available on the website. We're going to go look at now kind of just how our stuff's been doing. Here's the grind. As you can see, a couple of winners right there. It's been kind of choppy actually lately. Day Trader 5.0, few winners, couple losses, again kind of chopping around. No trades for the 6.0, the 7.0 actually posted a loss there. Kind of a flat move there. A couple of winners for the Day Trader 8.0, as you can see, the 9.0 not trading, the 10.0. Bigger winner than a loss. Swing System 5.0 continues to just be an outstanding system. Just look at that. Beautiful performance right there. 16,000 over the last year, just a $3,800 drawdown, straight up. Beautiful system, and of course back on long side, as you can see right there. Go to some more of our key systems. Skip a few of those swings. Swing ASR is in a beautiful long position. I remember that. 1095, so about 30 points right there. But over to our key day trading systems. Our relatively new systems, the 13.0 haven't been trading much. 15.0, 14.0, 16.0, a few winners there, as you can see. 17.0 hasn't traded. 19.0 catching a nice winner there. But those haven't really traded much. I guess just staying out of the chop, which certainly in this market has been great to do. But we're going to go ahead and switch over to look at here's what we're talking about. We got a new portfolio, a triple threat trader 3.0. It's TTT 3.0, and we're going to go look at that. Here's the systems right here. Day Trader 21.0 trades the YM. Day Trader 22.0, of course, based on our methodology. Look at this. Essentially no moves. We did have some bullish indications right here, bullish, and you saw a nice trending move upper, but then you saw complete negative divergences and bearishness here and sliding off there. Definitely an indication the market was going to go lower. Of course, it did, and you can actually trade this. You can take advantage of these opportunities right there. Trading the 22, 23, and 21, and there it is right there. You can go to the website. It's right there on the website. Actually, let's just do that. And you go to the home page. First thing you can do is you can click on any of these portfolios right here. These are all for our Double Your Money sales events. Subscribe to any of the portfolios we offer for 6 months. Enter the promo code right here, Double My Money, and all you have to do is click here, MapDT 150. And that'll take you there, add to cart. We're actually going to go back to the TTT 3.0 now that we're mentioning it. So you can actually go either to the home page right there, or you can go over to the Triple Threat Traders right there. It's kind of a steady portfolio. It's pretty interesting. So we're going to click on that, Triple Threat Trader 3.0. As you can see, 60,000 in profit over the last 2.99 years. Now we've included $7 in commission. That's the other beautiful thing. If you take advantage of this yearly promotion, the brokers will lower the commission from $9 a round turn to $7 a round turn. You're going to save 22% in commission. So that's what we've incorporated here is $7 a round turn, and of course $20 in slippage for every round turn. So this 60,000 is after 13,000 in slippage, which means we're assuming you get the worst fill that you can get taking the other side of the trade. $13,000 in slippage we factored in, $5,000 in commission. You're left with 198% per year return on just a per $10,000 unit. 600% return overall. Yields a very impressive 12 times reward to risk ratio. That's a Triple Threat Trader Day Trader 3.0. You can actually subscribe to that for just $600. So you go ahead and add to cart right there. And make sure you put in 4, and Double My Money is the promo code. Apply, it'll say, well, you need 4, and there you go. Save $1,200 on that. We will see you next time. You go to the website, chat with the support team live if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.